just give you an update of what I've been doing the last couple days. Monica and the baby have been gone. They're back at the other house in Illinois. So I've been just kind of working here and just kind of doing what I can to get this place somewhat livable, since it's just been a lot of work. So just to give you an update, I got the grinder here. I went and got the grinder attachment for the floor. I tried it originally, but it just blew so much dust. So I got some help from someone. They gave me an idea, one of the guys I know, to get one of these bucket dust buster type things for a 5-gallon bucket, and then running it to my little kind of Star Wars-esque type shop vac over here, and then I just had a hose out the window because it just got really, really dusty. And so over about a 2-day period, I figured out this worked, but my knees gave out. So I only got pretty much all of the floor, all the tiles that I have up, I was able to get the grout off of. I did quite a bit of cold chiseling. Got about, I'd say, probably about 85% of it up with the cold chisel. And then this really helped with just smoothing it off, giving it that nice level, as you can I don't know if you can see it, but it's really kind of level. It looks super nice. So once I get rid of that monstrosity of a island over here, that's my next, that's going to be the next assignment on this journey with the dumpster firehouse. So I'm going to be taking that out. It's all glued together, completely glued, every single thing. No screws. Normally you would have it screwed together. This has been glued with some kind of bonding agent. It is solid, so I'm going to be taking the Sawzall to it, trying to save as much of it as I can, because I'd really like to use it in the barn for a work table. Hook it up to my circular saw. That's the main thing, but I don't know. I'm really gonna try. The stove on top, one of the burners stopped working. I think I'm gonna mention that. I took it apart yesterday. Monica saw pictures that I was posting. She thought I had destroyed it. I did a bunch of troubleshooting on it. Found out that it's actually the gas valve. The ball valve's probably gone south. So I'll have to call the manufacturer. I could find the ball valves for the. There's actually 2 different kind of ball valves in that Gen Air. There's 2 that hook up a certain way, and then there's 4 that hook up a second way. And I could find the ball valves for the second one, but I couldn't find them for the first one. So I'll probably have to call the actual manufacturer and see if they still make it. Other than that, God bless. I hope you guys have a great week. I'm gonna try. So pray for me. I need a lot of it. And you guys have a great day.